ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanand. I am a physics faculty. Previously we have discussed about of the collision. The collision also how many types we have discussed. First we have discussed the previous part is the elastic collision we have discussed. Now second term is the inelastic collision is discussed now. What is the difference between of the elastic collision and inelastic collision? Means elastic collision is the linear momentum is conserved and kinetic energy also is conserved, but inelastic collision is the linear momentum is conserved but kinetic energy is not conserved, but some of the kinetic energy is lost. These loss of the kinetic energy is releasing of the light energy or sound energy type is releasing. Now momentum is conserved but kinetic energy is not conserved, but loss of the kinetic energy having in inelastic collision, loss of kinetic energy having. But here what is the coefficient of restitution in elastic collision? Means the coefficient of restitution value is the 0 to 1 in between value is called the inelastic collision of the coefficient of restitution. 0 less than e less than 1. 0 to 1 in between value is called a coefficient of restitution in elastic collision. But elastic collision of the coefficient of restitution is equal to 1. Already we have discussed previous part. The coefficient of restitution formula E equal to V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. Previous we have discussed already the coefficient of restitution. Means now U1 minus U2 converted left side means EU1 minus EU2 equal V2 minus V1. Now suppose first I need V2. V2 means EU1 minus EU2 plus V1 is equal to V2. This is equation 1. Next V1 I need means this total term converted left. V2 minus EU1 plus EU2 equal to this term converted left side means V1 is equal to equation 2. Now these two equations based already we have discussed momentum is conserved. Momentum formula is the initial momentum is equal to the final momentum. Momentum m1 v1 plus m2 v2 equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. These are the momentum is conserved. Now this momentum conserved place mine equation 2 or 1. First any one momentum conserved equation 3. Equation 1 is substitution in equation 3. Now m1 v1 plus m2 equation 1 v2 substitution. Now eu1 minus eu2 plus v1 equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now multiplied with m1 v1 plus m2 eu1 minus m2 eu2 plus m2 v1 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now v1 part y and means remaining these two part converted to the right side. m1 v1 plus m2 v1 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2 remaining these two term converted to right side means minus m2 eu1 plus m2 eu2. Now here common term is the v1 is common term outside, remaining m1 plus m2 is equal to here m1 u1, here minus m2 eu1, u1 is common outer side means m1 minus m2 e into u1 plus next here u2 is the common term, m2 also common term, remaining means what, m2 u2 outside, remaining 1 plus e. Now both side divide by m1 plus m2. Now here m1 plus m2 cancel means remaining v1 is equal to m1 minus m2 e u1 by m1 plus m2 plus next m2 u2 m2 into 1 plus e by m1 plus m2 into, if you any two bodies are collision at inelastically, after collision of the first body of the velocity is v1 equal m1 minus m2 into u1 by m1 plus m2 plus m2 into 1 plus e by m1 plus m2 into u2. After next, similarly equation 2 is substitution in equation 3. Equation 2 is substitution in equation 3. Equation 2 substitute in equation 3. Equation 2 is the v1 is equal to v2 minus eu1 plus eu2 equal to, now substitution there means m1 v1 means v2 minus eu1 plus eu2 into plus m2 v2 equal to remaining m1 u1 plus m2. Now here multiplied with each term m1 v2 minus m1 eu1 plus m1 eu2 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now here this term, total two terms is converted to the right side, remaining term is the m1 v2 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. These two term converted to right side means minus converted to means plus m1 e u1 minus m1 e u2. Now here what is the common term means v2 is the common term, v2 is outside means m1 plus m2 into v2 is equal to, here u1 term m1 u1 common term means m1 u1 is outside means 1 plus e having remaining term, here plus m2 u2 having u2 common means remaining m2 minus m1 e into u2. Now both side divided by m1 plus m2. Now both side divided by m1 plus m2 cancel, remaining v2 is equal to here m1 u1 1 plus e by m1 plus m2 plus same m2 minus m1 e by m1 plus m2 into u2. After collision of the inelastic collision, the first body of the after collision of velocity is v1, after collision of second body of velocity is v2. If you suppose these bodies are the both are the after collision or moving of velocity, we have find out. Suppose collision before one body is at rest position and another body is moving collide, what happened the initial velocity and final velocity? But I told already here inelastic collision is the kinetic energy is not conserved, but kinetic energy is lost something. What is the loss of kinetic energy? Means the kinetic energy is the initial minus final of kinetic energy changes. Now already after collision of velocity v1 and v2 find out, but the kinetic energy is how much is loss? Means kinetic energy, change of kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy at initial minus kinetic energy at final. Kinetic energy initial of m1 u1 square plus of m2 u2 square minus final of the velocities v1 and v2 having, means of m1 v1 square minus of m2 v2 square. Now v1 and v2 values of find out, these values is substitution after. Now v1 and v2 is substitution after, here the change of kinetic energy del Ke equal to of m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 minus u2 whole square into 1 minus e square. After v1 and v2 is substitution, these are the change of kinetic energy. If you suppose both bodies is collide in opposite direction, means here change of kinetic energy del Ke equal to of m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus u2 whole square into 1 minus e square. These are the both bodies collide inelastically in opposite direction. These kinetic energies, both bodies is collide in the same direction. These are the loss of kinetic energy. But if you suppose first body velocity u1 having, but second body of velocity u2 equal to 0, after collision v1 and after collision v2, first body m1, second body m2, m1 m2. Now after collision of the bodies, how much velocities? Means u2 equal to 0. Now substitution u2 equal to 0. Now v1 velocity is equal to u2 is 0, means total term is 0. Remaining term m1 minus m2 e into u1 by m1 plus m2. If you suppose both bodies are same masses, if m1 equal to m2, what happened? Velocity v1 is equal to m2 replaced m1 minus m1 e into u1 by m1 plus m1. Here common term is m1 outside. Remaining 1 minus e into u1 by m1 plus m1, 2m1 m1 m1 cancel, v1 is equal to 1 minus e into u1 by 2. Same as it is. Now second velocity after collision, v2 is equal to, the u2 velocity is 0, total term is 0, remaining here v2 is equal to m1 into 1 plus e into u1 by m1 plus m2. Now here if m1 is equal to m2, now v2 is equal to m1 1 plus e into u1 by m1 plus m2 replaced m1 substitution. Now v2 is equal to m1 into 1 plus e into u1 by m1 plus m1 2m1 m1 cancel, remaining v2 is equal to 1 plus e into u1 by 2. See, if you any one body is at a rest position of the second body, first body is collide at inelastic collision. After collision of the velocities v1 and v2 having, but if you u2 is 0 having, means velocity v1 is equal to m1 minus m2 into e1 by m1 plus m2. Suppose these two bodies are same masses having, means the velocity is after collision of the first body velocity is 1 minus e into u1 by u2. Second body of the collision with same masses and in elastic collision means v2 equal 1 plus e into u1 by 2. These are the inelastic collision is explaining. Now what is the explanation of perfectly inelastic collision? Third part, perfectly inelastic collision. Already we have discussed the elastic and inelastic. Now perfectly inelastic collision. Elastic collision time coefficient of restitution is equal e equal to 1. Inelastic time the coefficient of restitution value 0 to 1 in between. But perfectly inelastic collision coefficient of restitution value is e equal to 0. But here linear momentum is conserved or not? Momentum is conserved, but kinetic energy is more loss, is not conserved. Momentum conserved, more kinetic energy is loss. And restitution, coefficient of restitution equal to 0. But previously elastic collision and inelastic collision, collision after the two bodies are differently moving, means each bodies are different. But perfectly inelastic collision, if you any two bodies are collide, after collision the two bodies is combined together is moving, that is called a perfectly inelastic collision. Means suppose one body mass m1 and another body mass m2. This body initial velocity u1, here velocity u2. Now collision. After these two bodies are combined together, means m1 plus m2 velocity is maintained. These velocities v. Here momentum is conserved, means m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to final momentum m1 plus m2 into v. Before collision of velocities u1 and u2, after collision of velocities v1. After collision of how much velocities means v equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2 by m1 plus m2. After collision of the perfectly inelastic collision, suppose both bodies is towards each other, means opposite direction. m1 velocity u1, body m2, velocity u2, collision after m1 plus m2 into v. Now here m2 body is opposite direction, means conservation of momentum m1 u1 minus m2 u2 equal m1 plus m2 into v. After collision of velocity v equal m1 u1 minus m2 u2 by m1 plus m2. Here both bodies are collision time, kinetic energy how much is maximum is means already we have discussed del Ke of m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 minus u2 whole square into 1 minus e square. These are the inelastic collision we have discussed, but here perfectly inelastic collision coefficient of restitution equal 0. Here equal to 0 substitution means remaining del Ke equal to of m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 minus u2 whole square. E is 0 means total this term is 0, remaining 1 into something. These are the both bodies are collide in perfectly inelastic collision in same direction. If you suppose both are in opposite direction, the kinetic energy what happen means similarly del Ke equal to of m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus u2 whole square. Because of the here second body in opposite direction means automatically here sign is coming to positive. These are the explanation of the perfectly inelastic collision. But perfectly inelastic collision concept related of the Ballistic pendulum having. Now ballistic pendulum. What is the explanation of ballistic pendulum means if you any simple pendulum type of the one string is connected of the one box or one block is connected, one string having one block or one box is connected, here one bullet to mass small m, block mass capital M is mine connected. This bullet of velocity is u mine considered. This bullet is entered to the block, that time this block is somewhat height is reached. Suppose bullet is collide with the block after the both are combined together reached at the sum of the height. Here reached. This mass is the capital M plus small m because of the bullet is inside of the block head. This height is some height is reached h. Ballistic pendulum of the total length string is L. Here length also L, but remaining this length is L minus h. Now here ballistic pendulum of the perfectly inelastic concept we have discussed. Two bodies before collision of the momentum is equal to the after collision combined of the momentum. Now initially m into u plus capital M into 0 because of the block is at rest position is equal to after collision capital M into capital M plus small m into v. How much velocity is having means v equal to mu by m plus m. If you any one of the block is at rest, the bullet is entered to the inside, that time the velocity v equal to mu by m plus m. Suppose here how much height is reached? This block already h equal to v square by 2g, you know, because of the one of the equation of motion, v square minus u square equal to a. S means how much height, a means acceleration, u is initial, v is final. Here acceleration depend on the gravity, means a equal to g considered, s equal to h considered, means initial velocity u equal to 0. Now v square equal to 2gh, h equal to v square by 2g. Here how much height reached means elastic pendulum after some angle is having, this angle is theta. Now here cos theta equal to adjacent by hypothesis, adjacent of the means L minus h by hypothesis means L cos theta equal to L minus h. Now h I need, h converted to right side means left side, h equal to L minus L cos theta. Now here L is common means h equal to L into 1 minus cos theta. Now this h is substitution here, L into 1 minus cos theta equal to v square by 2g. Already v is find out, mu by m plus m. Now if you suppose the 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta equal to v square by 2g L. Now cos theta want angle, cos theta equal to 1 minus v square by 2g L. How much angle is of collision, how much angle having means elastic pendulum, theta equal to cos inverse of 1 minus v square by 2g L. These are the explanation of if you any one bullet is colliding with of the block is at reach some height, how much height is reached means L into 1 minus cos theta, after how much angle, this angle means theta equal to cos inverse of 1 minus v square by 2gl. These are the explanation of the inelastic collision and perfectly inelastic collision and elastic pendulum. Thank you for watching this video.